Thank you for joining us today to troubleshoot and repair an H.E. Williams PT 2x2 shallow plenum troffer. There are just two electrical components to this fixture, an LED driver and an LED board. This style of board has its connectors on the top marked negative and positive. When a previously working fixture fails, it's best to start by troubleshooting the driver, as that is most likely the cause. LED boards rarely fail unless damaged during shipping or installation, still it's good to keep a few spares. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, as a metal screwdriver could damage the lens or fixture, a 1/4-inch hex nut driver, and if your driver has what we call a PAL nut, you may need an 11/32 nut driver as well. A small straight blade screwdriver to remove the wires from the driver, and a basic multimeter will be nice to check the voltage output of the driver. To access the driver, you need to remove the lens and the Wireway cover. While you can squeeze the lens, you'll find it easier to use the plastic trim removal tool. Once you have the lens off, remove the 1/4-inch hex screws from the Wireway cover. Now you have access to the driver. While it's usually the driver, let's go ahead and test to make sure. For most of our interior products, you're looking for approximately 35 volts DC coming out of the driver. Your driver may be different, but it will be marked as an LED positive and the LED negative. You may not be able to get your multimeter here. You may have to use these wires to do this, and then some of our boards do allow testing at their test ports on them. 0 volts out confirms the driver is bad. Now we can change the driver. Since our driver inventory changes, your replacement driver may be a different size or brand than what you currently have. Don't worry, our system automatically selects the proper driver from what we have in stock at the time your replacement was sent. Even though you may have already secured the power to the fixture, let's go ahead and disconnect the incoming power wires from the driver. This can be done at the ballast disconnect. By the way, not all manufacturers provide this disconnect. Using a small screwdriver, remove the wires one at a time from the wire traps. Your fixture may not have dimming leads depending on how it was ordered. Completely remove one screw from the driver, loosen the other end. Now the driver is out of the way. You can then install the new driver. Being careful to notice which end the wires go, or your wires may not reach. Being careful to look for polarity. Red is the positive, blue is the negative. Plug the dimming leads back in. Confirm the power leads are back in. At this point, you can test the fixture to see if it comes on. We have successfully replaced the driver and confirmed the fixture works. Should your fixture not work, and you've confirmed you do have incoming power, it may be time to check the reverse polarity. Reverse polarity on the driver or reverse polarity on the boards will cause the fixture to not light. Correcting that will fix the fixture and there will be no damage to the LED board. If your fixture is still not working, feel free to contact us for assistance. Thank you for using H.E. Williams and have a great day.